number 1. Who wants to tell me how I could get that? Addie?
I did 5 times 5 to get 25, and then I did and then to top of the bottom.
So 15 25ths compared to negative 9 25ths? Mm-hmm. Just like that? No extra signs needed?
Oh, negative.
Okay, so which one's greater?
9 25ths.
Yep. Okay, because if I were to put it on a number line, there's 0, there's 9, and negative 15 somewhere over there. Okay? Questions? For the most part, it looks like we did pretty good. Okay. What about classifying that? This number 2. How would you classify? What would you call it? An integer, a rational number, right?
A rational number.
Okay. Why rational?
Because it's a decimal and it can become like an AB.
Gotcha. I could write it as a fraction. It's got a decimal on it. Read?
Integer because of the negative sign.
Okay. Is it a whole number or does it have some extra? So it can be an integer with that extra? It cannot be, but I love that you were thinking, okay? Because it's got this 0.05, it can't be an integer or a whole number, okay? But I like that we're thinking, all right? Just rational because of this, okay? Okay. Next thing is this class. I need you to open your notes for me. And I need you to go to the very last page, okay? Because I need some wide open space. Okay? If you're at home, you're going to want to get a piece of paper out.
Right here, bottom.
Yep, wide open space. All right? And what I need is a nice, straight as you can number line. Okay? And this is to help with our fractions because we didn't do it, and I think that's why we were having trouble putting fractions on a number line. Okay, so I'm going to put 0 right here. I'm going to put 1 over here because I'm just going to focus on between 0 and 1. I don't want to...
0.8 between 0.7 and
No, that's really important that I know that, but right now I'm going to work on fractions, so it's easier if I'm just looking at from 0 to 1. Okay? What do you think is a really easy fraction for me to find right this second? Ben?
half.
Half. Where's half going to be?
Like right in the middle of the number line.
I really hope this is the middle. Okay? So get as close to the middle as you can. And then at the end, you have 2 over 2, because it's the second half. Okay? Oh, guys, at the bottom, underneath all of the notes, yeah, right down there. Okay? It's not in the box. It's like down below. Okay? What might be another easy fraction for me to put up right now? Nathan?
1/10.
Okay. So you are right, but I want to get a couple more things on there so my tenths don't run into my other stuff. Okay? I can do it, but I want to put some more on there first. Okay, bud? Yes.
4.
Yeah, I'm going to put a 4th on here. Is there any dashes right now that I could put my 4th on? None? Ben?
Well, you would do 2. First, there is 1/2, which can also be 2/4. There is also 1 that can be 4/4.
Awesome.
You can also do 0, that's 0/4 if you want.
I can't. What is your... Yep. There's a 4 right there. We're going to see if this keeps working for me. What else? Where are my other 4s going? Because I can't just stop. Maddie?
1/4.
Where would 1/4 go?
In the middle of 1 and 1/2 or 0.
Yeah. I'm going to put it right there in the middle. And we're just going to change locations, maybe? Let me try something. No, it's just not.
So if it's an odd number, we would not use the half mark.
Go black?
Yeah.
Alright, so we will accomplish that in a little bit. My 3/4. We're not done. Allie. Yeah, awesome. 3/4, right in the middle. Okay, in between the 0 and in between the 2/4 and the 4/4. Okay, what else might I put on here? I might put, hope it's Ben.
Ace.
Ace, okay, I can do ace because I already got some dashes, right? Do we see any dashes that could use an eighth? Cooper, any dashes that could have an eighth on them? Means you get the denominator to an 8. Maggie?
4, 8, 1/2.
Awesome. Okay, what else do I have? Ben?
You also have 1/4 can be 2/8.
Okay.
3/4 can be 6/8.
Okay.
And 1 can be 8/8.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna pause you, Ben. You took all the easy ones. Who can help me out with a hard one? One that's not on a dash, because I used up all my dashes. Maggie?
1/8.
Awesome. 1/8. Abby?
3/8.
You guys are so smart. What else do I have? Because I am still missing some 8s. Sally? Yep. Gavin, did you have one?
I have an 8 in between.
Look at you guys catching on to the pattern. Okay. I really want a third this time. Can someone help me out with where would a third go? I need help. Nate? Okay. Ben?
I think that if you're going for thirds,
Mhm.
the 1/3 would go just to the right of 3/4, or just to,
1/3.
that would be 2/3 would be like right about there, and then 1/3 would be right about right.
Okay, you're telling me that 2/3 is bigger than 3/4.
Oh no, it's less.
So like right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then Abby, where do we want the 1/3?
It would be between 1/8 and 1/4.
Yep.
And then you want to put it in the middle because one, anything, you can't really add it in the middle. And you already have all 3 of them at the end.
Yep. I already got them all. 3/3. Okay. We could actually. There's one more. I need my fifths. Where do you think? What do we think about my fifths? Where could they go? Abby, where's an idea?
Under the half court.
Well, there's a lot of space there for me. Ben, any ideas?
1/5 should be like, I think in between 1/8 and 1/4. Yeah.
Actually, I definitely did this wrong. Oh my goodness, don't you hate when you mess up? 1/3's bigger than 1/4. I don't know what I was doing there. So sorry. 1/3 is bigger than 1/4, so please correct that. Do not leave that on your paper. Okay? And then 1/5, okay, that makes a little more sense that it's just right here. It's a little less than 1/4.
Oh yeah.
Okay? What about my 2/5? Ben?
I think 2/5 would be I'm thinking right after 3/8.
Yep, that seems reasonable. Because we never get to half. Because its half would be like 2.5. We never actually get there. Oops. Okay? So that means my 3/5 is going to go just on the other side. 4/5 gonna go right here. And at the end, we got 5/5. Okay, so I know this looks like a lot, okay, but it is a good reference tool if you need to look back on, hey, which should it be to the right or the left of the half mark? Is a good starting point, okay? Okay.